Please note that the process of finding and reading test results on an FTBX-88 series test module is the same for all test applications. The FTB test platform runs Windows 10 and can be used just like a regular Windows PC. To access test results, launch the File Explorer from the taskbar. The test files will most likely appear in Recent Files. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Documents folder, which is the default location. If you previously set up a different save folder for your tests, please navigate there. Locate the test you would like to read and double-click it. You will now see the report as it was saved with all the detailed information from the test.